There's a primal satisfaction that comes with felling a tree. It's a dance between man and nature, a test of strength, skill, and respect. And at the heart of this dance? The chainsaw. This isn't your grandpappy's backyard tool. We're talking about behemoths of engineering, capable of dropping giants with surgical precision. These are the mechanical marvels that make logging possible, that help us manage our forests, and yeah, they're pretty darn cool to watch in action. Imagine the roar of the engine, the bite of the teeth, the sheer power as these machines tear through wood like butter. It's a sight to behold, a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to harness raw power. But with great power comes great responsibility, and operating these machines is no joke. It takes guts, grit, and a whole lot of know-how to handle these beasts safely and effectively. In this essay, we're diving headfirst into the world of extreme chainsaws. We'll explore the biggest, baddest saws on the market, break down their impressive specs, and uncover the stories of the men and women who wield them. So, buckle up, grab your safety glasses, and get ready for a wild ride through the world of extreme chainsawing. When it comes to tackling the mightiest trees, only the most powerful chainsaws will do. These aren't your average backyard tools. These are the heavy hitters, the titans of the timber industry. Let's meet some of these mechanical marvels. First up, we have the behemoth known as the Stihl MS-880. This beast boasts a monstrous 121cc engine, capable of generating enough torque to fell a redwood. Then there's the Husqvarna 3120 XP, another giant slayer with a reputation for reliability and raw power. And let's not forget the Echo Timberwolf, a saw designed for the most demanding professional loggers, known for its durability and cutting efficiency. These chainsaws are more than just tools. They're extensions of the skilled hands that wield them. They represent the pinnacle of chainsaw engineering, designed to tackle the toughest jobs with speed and precision. But don't let their power fool you. These machines demand respect and a healthy dose of caution. Now that we've met our contenders, let's get down to the nitty-gritty, the numbers that make these saws sing. The Stihl MS-880, for example, packs a walloping 8.7 horsepower with a maximum engine speed of 13,500 RPM. That translates to a chain speed that can reach a blistering 75 feet per second, enough to make your head spin. But raw power is nothing without control. That's where the Husqvarna 3120 XP shines. It features an anti-vibration system that reduces operator fatigue, allowing for longer, more precise cuts. This beast might weigh in at over 30 pounds, but it handles like a dream in the right hands. And then there's the Echo Timberwolf, known for its lightweight design and exceptional power-to-weight ratio. Don't let its smaller size fool you. This saw is a workhorse, capable of handling even the most demanding jobs. These impressive specs are a testament to the constant innovation happening in the world of chainsaw technology. Each saw is designed with specific strengths, catering to different needs and logging situations. Hold your horses. Before you even think about firing up one of these bad boys, there's a non-negotiable safety. Operating a chainsaw, especially one of these powerhouses, is serious business. One wrong move and things can go south real fast. First things first, personal protective equipment, PPE. We're talking about the whole 9 yards. A sturdy helmet with a face shield and ear protection, chainsaw chaps, gloves, and steel-toed boots. Remember, this gear isn't optional. It's your first line of defense. Next up, technique. A firm grip, proper stance, and understanding kickback are crucial. These saws are powerful, and if you're not in control, they'll control you. Training is key, folks. Don't be afraid to seek out experienced mentors or take courses to hone your skills. Remember, a chainsaw is a tool, and like any tool, it demands respect. Treat it with care, follow safety procedures religiously, and you'll be able to harness its power safely and effectively. Section 5. Tales from the Trenches. Real-life stories of chainsaws in action. Let me tell you, I've seen some wild things in my day, and the world of professional logging is right up there. I once met a logger in the Pacific Northwest who swore by his Stihl MS-880. He called it "Old Reliable," and for good reason. This guy had used that saw to take down some of the biggest trees I'd ever seen, and he talked about it like it was an old friend. Then there was the time I visited a logging competition in Canada. These guys and gals were the real deal, turning tree felling into an art form. The speed and precision with which they handled their saws, mostly Husqvarnas, was mind-blowing. They could drop a tree onto a dime, and they made it look effortless. But as one logger told me, it's all about practice, respect for the saw, and a little bit of grit. These stories highlight the incredible bond that exists between a logger and their chainsaw. It's a partnership forged in hard work, sweat, and a deep respect for the power of nature. Section 6. Beyond the blades, the unsung heroes of efficient tree felling. While the chainsaw often takes center stage, there's a whole supporting cast of tools and techniques that contribute to safe and efficient tree felling. Wedges, for example, are essential for controlling the direction of a fall. These simple tools, hammered into the cut, help guide the tree down with precision, preventing dangerous hang-ups. And then there's the art of limbing and bucking, which is where chainsaws with different bar lengths and power come into play. A smaller, lighter saw might be ideal for delimbing, while a larger saw is needed for bucking the trunk into manageable sections. The point is, felling a tree is more than just firing up a chainsaw and going to town. It's a calculated process that requires knowledge, skill, and the right tools for the job. Section 7. A legacy of innovation. The evolution of the chainsaw. Believe it or not, the chainsaw has humble beginnings. The first chainsaw, if you can call it that, was invented in the 1830s and was a far cry from the powerful machines we know today. This early contraption was a bone saw, designed for, you guessed it, surgical procedures. It was massive, powered by hand crank, and took hours to cut through bone. Fast forward to the early 1900s, and we see the development of the first portable gasoline-powered chainsaws. These early models were still bulky and dangerous, but they revolutionized the logging industry, making it possible to fell trees much faster than ever before. From there, the evolution of the chainsaw has been a story of constant innovation. Manufacturers have continuously strived to improve power, efficiency, and safety. Today's chainsaws are lighter, more powerful, and equipped with safety features that would have been unimaginable just a few decades ago. Section 8. Respecting the power. A final word on chainsaw safety. I can't emphasize this enough. Chainsaw safety is paramount. These machines are incredibly powerful and unforgiving. A moment of distraction, a lapse in judgment, or a lack of proper training can have devastating consequences. Always wear appropriate PPE, receive proper training, and never operate a chainsaw when you're tired or distracted. Remember, it's better to err on the side of caution than to become a statistic. Section 9. A toast to the Titans. Celebrating the fusion of man and machine. There's something undeniably captivating about watching a skilled logger fell a giant tree with power and precision. It's a testament to human ingenuity, to our ability to design and wield tools that can tame even the mightiest forces of nature. So here's to the chainsaws, the unsung heroes of the forestry industry, and to the men and women who operate them with skill and respect. They remind us that even in our technologically advanced world, there's still a place for grit, hard work, and a healthy respect for the power of nature.